Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a professional website in just 30 seconds using Durable AI, one of the most efficient AI-powered website builders out there. Durable AI specializes in super-fast website generation, making it perfect for small businesses and individuals with no coding experience. Without further ado, let's get started. Go to durable.co and click Generate your website. Unlike other AIs that require manual customization, Durable AI saves time by automating the initial design. Then enter basic information about your business such as name, type of business, and location. In this case, I want to create a website to sell motorcycles and will be located in Jakarta, Indonesia. And I'll name it Jack Motorsport. Be specific about your business type to get the most relevant design and content. And now Durable AI will generate your website, complete with text, images, and layouts, in just 30 seconds. Your website has been created, and yes, we are required to log in first. Okay, this is what the website looks like that has been made. Durable creates a fully functional website with sections for your services, testimonials, and even a gallery. There are various sections, running logos and some other sections, which of course can be customized according to our wishes. Now we return to the top page. This AI has a feature to regenerate the style if the results given are not in accordance with the desire. Let's try it out. Nope. This one looks fine. Now, let's change the heading section. Nope. Okay, this will do. But there seems to be something missing with our page. Let's try adding a new section. Here it is. There are many new section options, such as banner, services, content, client, image gallery, video content, team member. Since this website is used to buy and sell motorcycles, let's try adding a video section to attract website visitors. And here's the result, the section to display the video. Wait a minute. This section of writing looks weird. Let's try to change it. And look, we can even regenerate the writing. Not only that, we can also readjust the layouts, harmonize the writing, and some other thing. There is a page feature where you can organize the pages of your website, for example, adding a new page. After that, you will be given many template options for your new page. Choose according to what you need for your business. In this case, I will give an example to choose the contact page. I will write my store information, such as location, address, and phone number here, because I want, when visitors come to this website, they know who to contact and where to buy my products. Remember, use the Durable AI tool as much as possible to do some experiment with different layouts for free before purchasing a plan. And if you feel that the design, content, and needs of your website are in accordance with the business that you will develop, then you can press the Save button in the upper right corner. And before you publish the website, you can preview your website when viewed from computers, tablets, and mobile phones to ensure that the website you have created looks impressive on all platforms. If so, then now you can push the Publish button, and you will be redirected to Billing page. Select the features and price that suit your needs, then complete the payment. Durable AI is a perfect option and a game changer for any non-technical users looking to launch a professional website quickly and affordably. Here are some tips for your website. You can pair your Durable site with Google Analytics for deeper insights. Try Durable AI today, and let me know in the comments how it worked for your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what kind of website you're planning to create. See you in the next video.